I've always been fascinated by guitar effects pedals. That being said, I've always wanted to make one as well, so I took a shot at making my own DIY phaser pedal. You can see that it definitely works, so let's talk a bit about how it was designed. I started by doing a ton of research on this MXR90 page on Electrosmash.com. The MXR90 was a very popular phaser pedal and still is today. I made a couple of modifications to the base schematic I found on that page, and also made the board layout. Both of these were done in KiCad. About a week and a half later, I got my fabricated boards as made by JLC PCB, not sponsored. So just to tell on myself a little bit, it's not perfect. This is actually my own second time ever making a printed circuit board like this, so I had one or two little errors, nothing that couldn't be fixed with a little bit of soldering while I was putting the parts in, but it looks pretty clean. Ultimately, I did pay a little bit more to get the lead-free finishes. It's just something that's really important to me. I know a lot of people don't care about the lead content in their items, but I just happen to care a lot. Now, I was too lazy to put all the reference numbers in when I made my order with Mouser, so I had to kind of go and manually label all the little parts. After everything gets soldered in, we'll just make sure that it works. And now to try it with the effect. Once I was pretty sure I got everything up and running, I designed the case in Fusion. You'll see that the bottom piece is basically just one big cavity to drop everything into. The lid will slide right into top, and I've got those holes in there to drop threaded inserts in, so that way we can actually hold the lid closed with some bolts as well. Then I spent about 15 hours or so printing both of the pieces. They're very thick and sturdy. To add a little extra flair, I've always liked how pedals feature their names so prominently, so I just want to make sure that this one has its name standing out as well. Now to use a soldering tool to push in these threaded inserts. Alright, we're just about good to go. We just gotta put everything in now. Now, admittedly, I could have paid some more attention to some of the clearances, like on the input-output jacks. They barely fit through the holes, and I was barely able to screw a nut on enough to hold it without worrying about it popping off. So I can reprint this. I don't really feel like doing it, so I'll probably just get better nuts to put on. Now that we have a functional pedal and everything, I also wanted to show you the range of phasing. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and comment down below. If you like what I'm doing here, please subscribe so that way you can be notified when new videos come out and so I know you're actually watching. Have a nice day.